Here we had a branch blow through the top of our shop, so I had a couple household items to fix it real quick. Nothing that was permanent, just something to get us by until we can actually get out there and do the real repair. So it was coming in pretty good right here, leaking almost on that projector down. So I had to crawl up in the attic there, and I had to basically kick it back so I could get a seal on it better when I fill it in. So what I did was I took Gorilla tape here, it holds up pretty good, and then loaded up the hole with silicone. But what I got to do is heat it up so the tape sticks a lot better. So that's what I did here and got all the snow and ice away from it. So now I'm just loading up the silicone, just fill that hole right in. It doesn't have to be pretty, it's just got to do its job for a few weeks. I did not spare any silicone here. Now that that's on, I just applied the tape now that the metal was warmer and just kind of pressed it a little just to spread the silicone out. And I just laid strips down. Like I said, it doesn't have to be pretty. And hopefully that'll help you as well. I'm uploading this, it's been a few weeks since then, and I have not seen a drop since, so I know it worked. Hope that helps.